Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with a Google Sheet solution. So the criteria was to have 8 different fields with different selections and pull out the data for the all time and the quarterly. And there were 6 fields to be calculated and pulled out from the general tab. The main challenge here was to pull out the values with different combinations. So this is the strategy which we have 3 options, including the all option. Pairs have 3 options, including if someone wants to select all of 3, they can select all. Similarly, with the entry, we have queue, which can be added in the setup tab, which is already set up, and then the airs. The airs are also there, but someone can select all as well. Regarding the month, you can see all the months, and at the bottom, you can select all months as well. I just wanted to reach to the time. I'll let you know about that. So the day. So if you have already selected all months, you cannot see any days. But if you select any month in here, you will see the dates associated with that month only. You can see currently I have selected February, it's showing 28 days. If I'll select January, it will show me 31 days. Okay, let's make it 2022 and it should show 31 days in here. So basically this is depending on on the year, because we have a leap year on February every 4 years. So it needs some year. So if I'll select 2023, it will show me on February how many days are there in the February. Similarly, so that is it. And then for the time, so we have a time on the journal tab, which is in hours, 100 hours. So I'll use this method. So the time will start from 1800 hours to 2000 hours. So if you will select 18 and 20, you don't need to select, you can always enter. Why I did not give you a drop down in this one is there. For example, if you want to like 18.25, so it will take the 18.25 in calculation. So this is how you can use it. You can always make it 18.5 or whatever. You can make 0 as well, because this time will start from 0. And yep. So you now let me make some changes then so that you can see all the results in here. So I'll first of all I'll show all of these, and you can see I'm not selecting any time, but it's still showing some data. So it's not mandatory that you have to enter the time. If you have selected, if you will not select anything, it will take all the hours, the whole day hours. But if you will select any particular hours, like if I'll say from 12 to 1700 hours maybe, so you'll see why it turned red. So if you will make it more than, if you will make the time less than the 2, like the time start should be less than the time 2. The range should be start from the lowest to highest. So this one automatically will turn red. This will not allow you to say, okay, now this is wrong. You have to make the change. So if I'll select 1700 hours there, this will be working fine. So now it's you can see these changes. If I'll delete all of these, those will show all the data for all the times. But if I'll make from 1200 hours to 1700 hours, only between these 5 hours, you can see the data got changed. Similarly, we have only the data for the March available. Let me make an entry for the April as well, so that if I'll take a copy to, let me make it April in here, and here you should see the entry got raised up. So there it was a loss. If I'll change it to win, you will see the win. So this is it, and this is how it's going to work. There is another thing, that if you are not going to select any year, particular year, this calculation will take the current year, running year, so that it can show you the results. Otherwise, it won't show you. It can't show the if there is no air selected, it can't show any value. So, but if you will select any air, it will show the data for that particular air. If not, then only for the current year. Now the problem here is that profit R, profit on account, and profit dollar. How to calculate this? So I have left a comment on here so that you can review it. You'll receive an email about it, and we can discuss this how we are going to calculate these 3 fields, and I'll do that. So this is it from my side. Please let me know what's your thought on it, and looking forward for your review. And thank you so much for your patience. Take care. Bye.